I'm Vika. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Olympia. This is my next tutorial, and today I'm very excited to show you our new latest features. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the conversation with Ronnie. What are the best co-working spaces in New York? So I asked her that, and now I'm gonna ask her to show them to me in picture. Farm Soho office, classroom, for Nomad. Yes, I would like to see the other pictures. So under her name, you can see that she's searching Google Images. So here we are, the Farm Soho new house, primary rework, the yard, green desk, and other spaces. Now, that being said, they can provide you pictures of anything that you're looking for your research. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a screenshot real quick and then drag and drop it to our prompt box. And I'm gonna ask, hey, what do you see here? I see a list of team members under the Pro Plus plan for Olympia. The team includes roles like, so our assistants can now understand and read what is on the pictures, on the screenshots. So you can now drag and drop pictures and ask them to analyze them, or whatever the task is that you need, whatever you need to accomplish. And now I can say, okay, cool. Who from this would you recommend for business? Philamonti, she's our business strategist. Can you please connect me with her? I preferred you to Philamonti. Phila, can you help the user with this, please? And here is Philamonti in our conversation. Sure, how can I help you today? So before, you could switch assistants only clicking on these arrows next to the assistant's name and choose the assistant you want to join your conversation. But now you can just ask the current assistant to connect you with the other one. So now Fila joined the conversation just like that. Hey Fila, just say hi to our viewers. Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. If you need any help with business strategies, feel free to reach out. Enjoy the demo. Isn't it amazing? So next thing that I want to show you is personalized email. Our assistants already can send emails on your behalf. They could, but now you can automate your emails and send an email from you yourself to someone else using Olympia. How about we demonstrate our email feature? Let's send an email to Obi saying that our viewers say hi, and the demo is going great. Okay, now it is from Philamonti, but if I want it to be from me, I would change it to my name, and then it instantly rewrites the signature. Vika forever. Um, and now, instead of Fila, it's gonna send an email from me to Obi, and I just need to hit send. If you want, you can ask your assistant to check your email. Hey, what are my 3 recent emails? Here are my 3 recent emails. Okay, any? It seems there are no particularly important emails. Okay, great. So you can ask them to flag the spam out, to summarize, check and track particular emails, etc. So the email feature is available only to whitelisted beta users right now, but it's going to be available to everyone in a matter of days, and we are very excited about it. The other features that I demonstrated are available already right now. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you still don't have Olympia AI team at your disposal, I highly recommend you to hire our winning AI team and boost your productivity to the roof and grow your business much faster with the help of our assistants. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.